Hey, g'day. How you doing? It's Chriso from down under, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. This is the bathroom that I'm doing at the moment, and it has a strip drain in it, the way I do it, and I feel it is the correct way of doing it. I've levelled across here. I've got fall from there down to the drain, which is that. Can you see that? I hope so. And that is level. Now it needs to slope down to that drain each side. That will slope up, but I'll do that when I'm laying. I can just mix up some mud and I tap them into place at the same time. Once I'm standing on a tiled floor, it's easy to do there. It will be mited across there and tilting. So this actually goes down to that level. That's dead level. That's strip drain. So now that falls and my tile is split from here to nothing and it's tilting up. Rewind my video when you actually go to do your own. If you forget. Now if I had a very small level, that is falling from there to there, and that is basically fairly flat, but it's still, it catches this and runs down to that grate. The same the other side. I have, which I've just got to check in a minute, equal distance, which is about there. Equal distance. I'm falling it down to there. And then all I do now is I drag this back dead flat, which I'll get it started and I'll come back to you. See you soon. Bye. Okay, now you see how I'm screeding it. See how I mentioned I've got that sloping down to there, and it all it all runs into the waste. See that fall? It's also sloping from there to there into there. See that fall? Same the other side. See that fall? So it's all falling into the waste. That will be sloping up the same, going up the same slope as that, and that'll be going up, mited in the corners, home and hose. So what we're doing now, the easy peasy part, we're just dragging it back so it's nice and flat. And there you have it. I reckon these strip drains are the best since sliced bread. when you're dragging your mud back, you're always looking at that side and that side, that you're never digging in right. We're falling nicely. A little bit more mud. Then that'll be that done. Then I'm level, I'm dead flat and level out here and in the toilet, because there's no waste there. So we're home and hose. What I'm trying to show everyone we're falling nicely. See that bubble? We're falling nicely into there. This aluminium is slightly out of level, this concrete floor. So I'm flush with the aluminium there and down a bit there. That is purely a water stop, but that's where I'll be starting my full tile and running down there, and I'll be going off here with a full tile. I'll probably mitre one maybe this tile out here so it fits together nicely and covers that aluminium, and that's it. See the fall there? Absolute beauty. When you're screeding, just sort of put your straight edge and just sort of run it over gently. But you can always be a little bit, you know, like you're using a 12mm notchy. See that? Beautiful. All right. I'll come back to you shortly. See ya. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Press that button. See ya. Bye.